Mastering Everyday English. Understanding Cut Class. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where learning English is both fun and effective. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's quite common in school settings but can be a bit confusing for English language learners: cut class. Stick around to find out what it means and how to use it correctly in a sentence. When someone says they're going to cut class, they're not talking about scissors and paper. In fact, to cut class means to deliberately miss a class without a valid reason or permission. It's a colloquial term that's often used among students. The phrase, cut class, has its roots in American English and has been used for many years. The word, cut, in this context means to omit or skip. So, when put together, cut class essentially means skipping a class session on purpose. Let's see how to use this phrase in real-life scenarios. I decided to cut class today because it was too nice outside to spend it indoors. If you cut class too often, your grades might suffer. He got in trouble for cutting class when the teacher found out. While it might seem tempting to skip a class now and then, cutting class can have serious consequences. Schools have policies against it, and it can lead to disciplinary actions, falling behind in coursework, or even legal issues for chronic absenteeism. Thanks for joining us. We hope this video has clarified what cut class means and why it's generally not a good idea to do so. Remember, every class is a step towards learning something new. See you in our next video, and until then, keep learning and growing.